excited to make meringues for you today, and I'm going to show you how. So let's get started. First, you need 3 eggs worth of egg whites, and you don't want any egg yolk inside. That will disturb the meringue from mixing up. And this is 112 grams. This sugar will be 224 grams, which is double the amount of this egg white. Now you need some cream of tartar. You need kind of like a tiny pinch because it is acid and you don't want too much of it. Now you have this squeezer that you put the meringue inside and you squeeze it out. And you need 2 trays so that you can squeeze the meringues on it. And I always like to prepare some paper towels because if anything spills, then you can clean it up. Remember that everything has to be clean, no water on it and no oils. Now we need this Kenwood mixer, and you want to make sure that this bowl is completely clean without any oils. So now I'm going to go ahead and put this inside it. You want to make sure that every little bit is inside. And you can take this pinch of acid or this cream of tartar and you put it inside with it. Now we're just going to go ahead and close it. So now let's wait until it becomes kind of whitish inside. That's when we can do the sugar, but not yet. Now it has become kind of white and foamy. So then now you have to dump the sugar one by one, little by little into the meringue. Now let's put some more. And we're just going to keep on adding it inside. So now it looks good, but you have to get all that sugar back into the meringue because they tend to like to kind of get onto the side. Gotta get all that sugar back. And one way to test that it's all done, just take a tiny bit, rub it between your fingers. Okay, it's all smooth, so that's when we can start to move on. Get all of the meringue into that squeezer. Squeeze the meringue from that squeezer onto that tray. This time I'm not adding food coloring because I think that white ones look more cuter. If there's any extra spaces, don't waste all that meringue, just put it somewhere where you have space. So you want to first make that oven temperature 195 Fahrenheit. Now you're just going to put it inside. Make sure that you don't make your hands burnt, because that would hurt a lot. Be careful whenever you put this inside. Just close it, and then it will bake. You want to bake it for 2 hours. So now I've waited for about like 12 hours, and that's when you can go ahead and get it out. So it's already cooled down, so that means that I can touch the tray. Whoa, they look nice and smooth. So now it's fully cooked, and that's when you can like gently take off one to see if it's actually like fully gonna take off and be your dessert. So I'm just gonna gently lift off one, and see, it comes off quickly. That means that it's okay and you can eat it. Okay, this is so pretty. I'm just gonna go ahead and try this. Nice, sweet and crispy. Okay. The inside is really marshmallowy, and it's really sweet, so I recommend not to eat too much at a time. Well, thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.